What is going on, everyone, and welcome to Kart 6T3. My name is Ben. Thank you very much for stopping by. If you didn't mind hitting a like on the video sometime during it, or if you're new here, you could subscribe to the channel. That would be fantastic. I would super duper appreciate it and stuff. I did one of these videos last year, and I like them. I like engagement videos. Not every video is going to be, me showing how to do something, this and that. It's, I don't know, fortunately, unfortunately, how I produce 2 videos a week, that they all can't be, that a kart is not, there's enough things to talk about a kart in itself, but if I just did every single thing, I'd be out of material. So things like this video, things like, theorem in racing and, contemplation of different ideas and this and that, these videos are somewhat necessary. So I did this one last year and I thought, you know what, why don't I just keep it rolling? I'll do one every year because I genuinely like to know. I like to engage with you guys, and I would like to tell you how my season's going as well. But first, how's your season going? Are you in the midst of a championship run at your local track? Are you running, in big points races? Are you running UAS? Are you leading your division? How is your season going? I'm just curious. Sometimes, like myself, things go a little sideways. It has not been the best year. Nothing catastrophic has happened to me. I've just lost a little bit of speed somewhere. I'm not sure if it's chassis. I changed over chassis. Now, I shouldn't have lost a bunch of speed because I'm going to a platform that I'm quite used to, but now my brain is just like, do I get back on the other car, and is that going to throw me for a loop? Do I get back on the other chassis and then, try and readjust to the way that one drives? They're similar between the Recon and the Scythe. Just one does, something a little better than the other that I can feel. One has a little bit drive off of the corner. One has a little better entry on corner. It's got me wondering, whether or not I should pull the trigger. Myself, I don't run every week. I have been testing the past couple weeks. I've shown you those videos. I've shown you how bad, I'm kind of off. Mind you, those are local guys. They are used to that track. They race every single week. They know what the track does. They know what the track needs. I'm coming in as an outsider, but I should be faster than that. I hold myself to a different standard. Not like I should just walk in there and walk all over them, but I should be able to run with them. Now, last race, last test session, I made a gain in speed, in comfort, in feeling what the kart actually needed. I need to go a little bit further. I need to do a little more work on tires. This is all stuff that everybody goes through. I'm no different than anybody else. Sometimes I have that confidence. I walk into a track, no matter where it is, traveling series like UAS, and I get to I walk in and I know, I'm the guy to beat here. I'm the man that everybody is going to be trying to beat that day. I don't exactly have that confidence this year because I have been just slightly off. I got a 5th place this year, and that really kind of just took my confidence right out of the air. Do I think I can get back there? Absolutely. Like the couple videos ago, keep on moving, keep on trying, keep on doing things till they work. I've made gains. I think we have the engine package right where I kind of need it. Now I need to get myself, my kart under me, and as fast as I think it should be. I have 2 regular seasons. They're coming up here next week. It's back-to-back, Friday and Saturday. Running Champion Speedway, and then AMS, the Bill Layfield Memorial race, which is, I think, 500 to win. And I got a bit to go if I'm even gonna think about winning that. That's a quarter-point race for the Western New York UAS. But I have 2 season races to figure out how I'm ended in points, in my division here, and then the Grand Nationals at Hunterstown Speedway in September. So just curious, how's your season going? Have these videos helped you at all? Has any of this information progressed you forward to where maybe you're in the hunt for wins, maybe you're in the hunt for a championship? I'm genuinely curious. I like these videos. I like engagement. I like when you guys write in the comments. I like when you suggest videos or tell me how things have been working, or if I can assist you in any way. It's just you know, it's fun for me. It gives me something to do in downtime. Not that I have a ton of it, but I try and answer every one of your comments, you know, and I thought this one would be pretty fun to do. So, all right, guys, I really do appreciate you coming by, and we'll see you in the next video. Later.